Hello, welcome to Process Guy. This is the part 6 of the series, so you want to learn HTML. In this video, we'll be looking at 3 HTML elements, which are table, images, and links. We are going to be creating an image gallery web page that is going to use a table to hold small copies of the gallery images and a link to take us to where we have a larger version of the image. So let's get down to business. HTML table allows you to arrange data into rows and columns. The tag that is used to define an HTML table is the table tag and has several nested tags which you need to pay close attention to. Within the table, you have a table row which is represented by a tr tag, and within the tr tag, you have a nested table header or a table data which is represented by a th tag and td tag respectively. Let's populate our table with some data that has a serial number, name, and gender as a header. For us to see the table so that we can visualize what we are designing, we will set the border attribute of the table to be 1. We now have the header of the table. Let's now use this to populate the data of the table. We can duplicate the tr tag, but instead of using the th tag, we use the td tag instead because we want to capture data. I will now introduce cell spacing and cell padding. Cell padding is the space between the cell edges and the cell content, while cell spacing is the space between each cells. Let's now say we want to add a 4th column, say country. We just need to go to the last th under tr and add a new th. We then do the same for row 1, 2, 3, but in their case, we use td. Next, we introduce row span attributes for td tags. It allows you to merge td or cell across multiple columns. So say we wish to merge the 2 countries in row 1 and row 2. We delete the td in row 2 carrying the country Nigeria. We then need to set the row span attribute to 2 from the last td in row 1. We repeated the same for the gender column in row 3 and row 2. We have a second attribute similar to the row span, and this is called col span. The col span allows you to merge data across multiple rows. Simply specify the col span attribute and the number of columns you wish to merge and delete the SSTD tags, as shown in the example. We also have the width attributes that allows you to specify how wide your table should be, and this is also available in the TDs. You can specify the width of the TD either in pixels or in percentage. Now I think we have enough understanding to go ahead to design our image gallery table. We need to set the border to 1. We need to have a 2 by 3 column. That's 2 rows and 3 columns. I'll be creating a folder titled images img and bringing in images online. I just went to Google to pick up some images and naming them 1 through 6. The image element helps to bring life to any web page. The tag that defines this element is img tag. It requires the src attribute for source location of the image you intend to display. In our own case, the image is located in the img folder. We can then specify the width, say 200. The alt attribute stands for alternative text. It's used in case the image is not available or could not be located, and also for search engine optimization. So let's go ahead and bring in the other images 1 through 6. I'm going to set their width and set the alternative text to match what the picture is saying. Finally, we have the HTML links, which is also known as hyperlink. Links are found in nearly all web pages. Links allow users to click their way from page to page. Our intention here is to create a link titled See More, and when the user clicks, it should take the user to where they will see a detailed version of the picture they have selected. The href attribute of the link element allows you to specify where you want to direct the user to once they click. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to point image1 to picture1.html and vice versa. Let's go ahead and create our picture1.html page. In the new web page, we are going to have the title of the picture and the full size version of the picture itself, so that when you click on the link, it will take you to this page. Our final attribute for the link element is target. This allows you to specify which browser window the link should load the page from. For your level, we will only be introducing the blank value. This is to open the page in another tab for your browser. The code to the tutorial is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification to encourage us to make more content like this. If you have any feedback for us, kindly drop it in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thank you.